This must be the most exciting video of the 2023 because it is the unboxing of my secret wishlist plants that I've been searching for a really long time. And I am so excited and anxious at the same time because, I don't know what quality of plants they send me and everything, but yes, this will be the last unboxing of the year. Let's get started. So here comes the moment of truth. And I hope we don't get disappointed. The packaging seems really good. I mean, you can't remove them, so how they are supposed to get damaged? Whoever packaged these plants clearly did not want for someone to unpack them. Oh. So the first one is an anthurium, which I was really excited to get. And look at this here. It's cut! I don't really mind that there is a piece missing. Maybe it was ill, maybe it was something else. I won't lose my mood because this one was one of my wishlist plants and I am going to make it survive because the roots, at least, are really healthy. So let's put it here and move on to the second plant. The second one is this one, and I think that I will be more proud of this one actually. It's a philodendron deleted. This size seems okay, and the new growth sadly has been a little deformed, but I don't think that we will mind. Okay, it looks stunning. The third one is this beautiful, for what it seems, dehydrated alocasia. Exactly. Really gorgeous, really stunning. So this one here, the Alocasia Jacqueline, has been on my wishlist for more than 4 years because I've been searching it here in Greece and I couldn't find any. I thought of importing it, maybe getting some corms or the plant, but the import fees were outrageous, out of this world. So I didn't really think that it would be worth it, especially if I don't know if it will survive. Now you will ask me, will this one survive? I don't know, but we will try. And yes, this seems kind of dehydrated, but it has a new growth that seems like having a burnt edge, but I think that we will do. We will do. Let's get to the next plant. The wrap is bigger than the plant. This one here is supposed to be an Andersonii mint, but the variegation seems weak. I would prefer it to have the variegation of the mint and not seem like a plain Andersonii. Because, monstera monkeys, I have a lot of them here, but the species that I was looking for doesn't really, Let's move on to the last plant, which I hope that it will be worth it. It seems okay, the new growth is okay, and it has variegation at least, that is good. We will see how it grows. This one is okay.